All right, check this out. We got our piece done. Not sure where we landed off on this, but welded the inside with a nice groove and some filler there. And then we had welded the outside, put it on the lathe, and trued it up so it spins. That spins true to that, and this is centered to there, to the inner splines. Because we were dealing with the two-piece, we cut out the inner bit, put that on, because this is off of an 8.8, welded it up. Pretty skookum welds, inside outside, should be fine. If not, I mean, we'll find out quite quickly. Yeah, so the benefit of this, it lets me use a 1330 to a 1350 drive shaft either end, because the MT82 I think uses 1350, and then the Fox body is a 1330 U-joint, which is a very strong unit. And yeah, we can kind of get rid of this style, which honestly this is just more of a pain to get fasteners for and get a drive shaft for. Less worried about it being stronger, but being easier to get a drive shaft made up, just because some of these decent ones are difficult to get and they're not as strong, and I'm going to be spending more money. And you know, I have a extra U-joint there with a 1330. I have a 1350 upstairs. I mean, there's even a possibility that we could just make our own drive shaft here, so that'll be cool. And we'll go down that road once we get there. But yeah, second thing we did is we got rid of our motor mounts bushings, which were these polyurethane ones that are hard as shit. I mean, there's not much movement to these at all, and I mean, there was literally nothing when it was inside the bushing holder. So what we did is I did a lot of sleuthing on Rock Auto and found these guys. These are 2001 to 2014 Chevy 2500 lower control arm bushings. And yeah, this measurement here was pretty much spot on. And the shorter bushing, because these are two different lengths, was the right length that way. The only thing is that they were a 14 mil bolt hole, but that's easy enough to drill these holes out to 14 mil from the 12 mil that they are. So, and yeah, these ones are longer, so they don't fit in there. But honestly, the idea was even there that I could just cut off these nubs and then put her in. And yeah, it's the shorter ones fit in there nicely. We've got a little bit of a lip there. And it's centered in the bushing for the most part, so it'll hold the motor in its position. I mean, these are solid bushing, so it's not going to offer a lot of ability for the motor to move, but hopefully it being a very softer, you know, rubber material that you get some movement out of, it may offer a little bit of dampening, because you know, we get a little bit of movement. It's kind of hard to see in the video there, but that, nothing, just rock solid. You're gonna feel that in every twist of the throttle. So hopefully now that is remedied and I can move on to the next thing. And with this build, there'll always be a next thing and a next thing and a next thing. But luckily we got two things kind of pushed off and done. But other than that, I'll smell you later.